Look at that, Maddie.
Your Jeep needs a wash.
I'm being attacked by snowballs. You can't see anything off the edge of this. You're basically into oblivion. Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Casey, and today I'm in the Jeep, and we're heading out. We're gonna do a little off-roading and explore some trails. Today we're not really planning to do any real kind of heavy off-roading. We're just gonna head out some of these back roads. So once we get into the back country, there's some small lakes up on the hills we can get to really easily. And Maddie brought her fishing rod, so we want to see if we can throw a few lures into the lake. We're gonna have a fire and just make some hot dogs and just kind of have a nice day out in the back country.
Pretty sure that's the tree.
That was a tight tree that was fallen. The other two Jeeps couldn't go under it because their height is a little bit higher than mine. But I'm only about 6 feet 2 inches. We're gonna hit our mirror. Is it gonna be a no mirror breaking kind of day, Maddie? Are we gonna break some mirrors today?
Nope.
Nope. You gonna fall over? A little stream crossing.
Whoa.
We gotta figure out what we're gonna do with this big sort of tree or branch or whatever that's across the trail. I think we'll just kind of push it over the roof. Oh, we're gonna get all off camber going around this tree.
Oh my
Look,
God.
we can see the ground next to us. Yeah, we're good, we're good. We wrapped it around the tree. Oh, there we go. All right, up the hill. Looks like, oh, we're right on that tree. Oop. There goes the mirror.
Did we just saw that mirror?
Wait, there we go. Okay, let's go through this section here where Chris just was. Where should we go? Should we go left or right?
I think left.
Go left? I don't know if we can get around this stump. We good? We good on that side?
That tree was almost gonna hit my mirror.
I think we may have put a new dent in the door though. That tree was dragging pretty good along the side. Well, I hadn't had any dents on this rear driver's side door yet, but that last right here put a nice solid dent in the side. Didn't scratch through my trail scales though, but the door has a little bit of a dent in it. Of course, we have to go last, which means the hill and piece of trail is going to be all torn up as usual.
Hey, Aaron! Your Jeep needs a wash. It's all covered in dirt. Yeah.
Ready when you are.
You're definitely gonna need to wash it.
Did we find the first snow of the year for us, Maddie, up in the hills?
Yep.
Well, we weren't really expecting to find snow today out on the trail, but always a welcome surprise as long as it's not too much and doesn't impede us from getting where we're going. We don't see snow much in Victoria, so it's always fun to go find it up in the hills. And you know, a little later in the year when we get a bit more, we'll bring the sled up and we'll come up here and play in it a little bit. What do you think, Mads?
Yay! My sled!
Yeah. So we're almost at our lake spot that we're trying to get to. Trail is really tight. If you can't hear all of the branches just slamming against the side of the Jeep already.
I can totally hear them.
Can you hear the branches?
Yeah, they're so rough.
There's the lake up here. Oh wow.
Yeah, it looks definitely frozen.
Look at that, Maddie.
What? Is it all frozen up?
How beautiful this is up here.
No, it's definitely frozen up.
Wow, look at that. It is really beautiful up here. This
That
The lake just has a little bit of snow around it. It's gonna be a perfect spot to have our lunch for the day. Alright, we had a nice little stop. We had some hot dogs, a couple of slices of leftover pizza. Didn't catch any fish. We threw our line out a little bit in the lake, but you know, it was fun. Maddie had a good time. And now we're just gonna hop back in the Jeeps and head out onto the trail and see where we get to. Oh, bit of a washout there on the trail. I don't know how much longer that's gonna last before we're not able to pass through it anymore. We have just been climbing and climbing and climbing this hill because we can't see anything with the thick clouds today.
I can.
Can you see? Can you see a little bit of a shadow? We are so high that the trail is getting covered with snow. Now the traction's still okay because it's only a little dusting, but won't be long before this is completely inaccessible. Yeah, this is way snowier than I thought it was going to be out here today. We're just gonna carefully make our way up the side. It's not slippery or sliding or anything, but you know, we want to have a little bit extra caution with the snow on the trail, especially riding along the edge here. Here we have managed to find a whole bunch of snow, and we're just throwing some snowballs around. And I've got my hood up. It's really, really cold. We are super high in the mountain. And I'm being attacked by snowballs as I try to film this. Thankfully they have terrible aim and it's not hard to get out of range. But look at this off the side here. You can't not bad, not bad. You can't see anything off the edge of this. It is basically, you're basically into oblivion here. It's what do you think of the snow, Mads? Yeah, it's really cold. We're gonna get back in the Jeep and head back down, and I think this we're getting close to wrapping up the day today. But huge change in weather from starting out of the house this morning. It was sunny to cloudy and rainy. It was pouring rain on some of the trails, and now we have snow. So just typical British Columbia this time of year as you go up and down in the elevations. Massive change in weather. So there you go. Nothing to it. Some of these obstacles can always be a little bit different in a two-door with a shorter wheelbase, but almost hit the spare tire, so send our four-door through no problem. Good thing we got the rock sliders. We definitely dragging some bottom there. All right guys, so we have managed to successfully climb to the top of this mountain. I think this is pretty much all we're gonna be doing for wheeling today. You can see in the background, we are up in the clouds. You can't see anything off the edge of this ridge. So anyways, thanks so much for watching this week's video, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on those notifications so you can see when my new videos go live. And if you enjoyed this week's video, make sure you leave a like. That'd be great. Otherwise, I will see you guys next week in the next video.